In a series already brimming with drama, the third test between India and Australia added another chapter to the spirited rivalry between Mohammad Siraj and Manas Labuschagne. On day 2 at the Gabba, Siraj brought his signature cheekiness to the field, targeting Labuschagne in a playful yet psychological skirmish over, of all things, the bails. It started during the 33rd over. As Siraj prepared to bowl, he casually flipped the bails at Labuschagne's end, a gesture often seen as a quirky charm for bowlers. Labuschagne, not one to shy away, stepped up and switched the bails back to their original position, a move that drew chuckles from the Gabba crowd. The seemingly trivial exchange embodied the intense ongoing banter between the two across the series, which began during the Perth Test when Siraj threw the ball at the stumps after a delayed shot from Labuschagne. Brad Haddin, commenting on the incident, noted that Siraj's antics aimed to disrupt Labuschagne's famed focus. They are trying to create a lapse in concentration, he remarked. The tactic appeared to work as just an over later, Labuschagne's resolve faltered. A well-directed delivery from Nitish Kumar Reddy induced a drive, resulting in a sharp edge that was magnificently caught by Virat Kohli in the sleeves. Kohli's theatrical celebration, complete with a silencing the crowd gesture, only added to the drama. The light-hearted yet calculated gamesmanship is a hallmark of Siraj's style. His animated send-offs and on-field banter have made him both a fan favorite and a target for opposition supporters. With each encounter, the Siraj-Labuschagne rivalry adds an extra layer of intrigue to the series, keeping fans hooked and proving once again that cricket is as much as a battle of wits as of skill.
Extra time! Extra time!